Hi, my name is Tom Lombardo. I'm the Director of Internet Marketing for Jones Lang LaSalle. Jones Lang LaSalle is a global commercial real estate company. We operate 170 offices around the world in about 60 countries, and our main focus is basically helping clients with real estate related their needs around the world.
Hi, this is Lance Russell. I'm the Director of Marketing and Operations for PointBridge. We're a consulting company in Chicago. We were introduced to Jones Lang LaSalle by Microsoft to help them with their digital marketing strategy.
We had a very large brand refresh project that we had to sort of get across the entire firm. I think the challenging piece was, okay, how do you take this design then and then kind of roll it out to the world? We needed a single content platform that all of our local marketing teams could use. The platform needed to be completely self-service, so we don't have large web teams all over the world, so it had to be something that was any marketer could use. It had to be support all the languages because we do business in many countries around the world, and the solution had to also be scalable, something we could implement and use for many years.
I think bringing together that intranet, internet, and extranet all on SharePoint to really take advantage of the power of the integrated platform and the efficiencies of moving content through those different properties was an exciting opportunity for Jones Lang LaSalle and for PointBridge.
So I think on the results side, obviously we had a lot of cost savings because we've been able to take the single platform and leverage it everywhere. So we don't have web teams in every country. We were able to kind of scale back the number of people we have to support the platform. When we started turning the sites on, to our surprise, the sites started generating a lot of business inquiries for us, and that's just continued to grow. We actually had to go back afterwards and put a lead tracking system in place, and so the websites running on SharePoint have actually become a new sales channel for us. Many of those leads have turned into business for the firm. So anytime we can do that through a technology platform, I think that's great. Traffic has grown, so we're seeing about 40% year-on-year traffic growth. And I think there's kind of some softer savings of from a development side, being able to do kind of make improvements in one place has really helped us out also. So I have the advantage now of when I sit around and kind of plan out feature improvements, I can do that one time and then scale that out across the entire world. With our business group, we went from kind of having a real fragmented web presence to having really a powerhouse of our brand out in the online world.
Another key success for Jones Lang LaSalle was that the marketing team and the content owners were really to take over much more control of the way that the website was kept up to date. Instead of having to rely on developers every time that they needed to change something, with the content management and publishing capabilities of SharePoint, they were able to bring that into the marketing team and turn around those updates a lot faster as their business had evolved.
The question I get most often, since I kind of come at this from a marketing point of view, is can SharePoint be used to manage content online? Can you use it as a platform? Can it be as good looking as a site that I could design? And I think that, that's absolutely the case. I've just been a little bit amazed at times we haven't run into any situations where anything we could dream up on the visual design can't actually be done. So from a marketing standpoint, that is, you can absolutely do that. It takes some planning, obviously, and you need really good coordination with your teams. But the test of that is just you see more and more big, large Fortune 500 companies using it. I think the other thing is, it does scale. So if you're working in a large enterprise environment like I do, and you have the challenge of coordinating marketing teams around the world, and maybe have a lot of language needs too, SharePoint can handle that. Coming very soon, I think we're going to be doing some things with SharePoint that maybe have never been done before, very cutting edge. We're gearing up for a big 2010 migration now, so I'm excited about that.
Jones Lang LaSalle looks to do new things with the website. They have some exciting ideas about what they're going to do with their homepage, and by having the SharePoint platform in place, it was a lot easier to quickly come up with new designs, a new look and feel, new branding standards for the new website that will take them on over the next 2-3 years of their growth as a company.
Integrating social into a little bit more into our platform, media integration. And I'm really interested in seeing how the new search technology is going to kind of play into, the way we've chosen to kind of work with SharePoint. Is having all of our content in one place. I think that's the next big thing for us. We're going to be moving into a lot more kind of personalized content for our site visitors. So it'll be great to really see how some of the new 2010 features kind of help us with that.
At the end of the day, what we found was with scalability, with globalization, with the ability to easily brand SharePoint and the ability to maintain content in a distributed fashion, this solution was exactly what Jones Lang LaSalle needs to take its business into the next level. And we have a lot of confidence recommending it to our other clients who have similar needs.
If you're looking for a platform and you're working in a large global environment, SharePoint is certainly a technology that you should look at, not just only for your publishing needs and content management, but also internally collaboration. We've just had tremendous success with it. I think it is definitely the content platform of the future.